urbexing in a church while that's going on. I am so fucking wary of falling, man. I've fallen off of big ass trees, slides.
Then there's this part. I remember this being scarier than it feels now.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Because they added a railing and things. I don't know.
Man. That's nuts.
Alright, now.
Holy fuck, you want me to go up there?
I mean, you don't have to.
I mean, I'm gonna go up there either freaking way.
Okay, what am I doing?
The bell tower.
There we go. Yeah, that should be good enough.
Oh god. This is so slow. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Oh, I hate heights. But it's so worth it.
Where the actual bell is. Oh, and apparently there's another letter over here.
No,
I'm not gonna climb on this one.
All the way up there.
Okay,
Hell
this is
no.
wobbly.
Look at that bell. They still use that?
I don't think so. I don't know if it's appropriate to try and ring the bell.
I don't think
But-
so. Alright, I'm getting the fuck down.
I understand.
Oh. Where's the step? Give me this step. Oh god. The one thing I am most terrified of is heights.